In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Payhip. If you need help with your Payhip account, a product issue, or a general question, the process is very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to reach out so you can get support as quickly as possible. To begin, go to the Payhip dashboard in your web browser. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and account settings. Starting from the dashboard is helpful because it confirms that you're on the official Payhip site and in the right place before contacting support. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into your account first so you can access anything relevant to your issue and refer to the correct account details if needed. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to contact Payhip by email. The support email address shown is contact@payhip.com. You can use this email address to send your question, explain a problem, or ask for assistance with your account or store. When you write your message, try to be clear and specific. Briefly describe what you're experiencing, include any important context, and mention the part of Payhip you're having trouble with. This can make it easier for the support team to understand the issue and respond more efficiently. It's also a good idea to keep your message organized. For example, you can explain what you were trying to do, what happened instead, and whether the issue is ongoing or only happened once. If there are any order details, product details, or account-related references that are safe to share, include those in a simple and easy-to-read format. At the same time, avoid sending sensitive personal information unless it's absolutely necessary, and you're sure you're communicating through the correct official channel. After sending your email, keep an eye on your inbox for a response from Payhip. You may also want to check your spam or junk folder just in case the reply is filtered there. If your issue is urgent, writing a clear subject line can help make your message easier to identify when the support team reviews it. And that's it. To contact Payhip, just open the Payhip dashboard, then send your message to contact@payhip.com. It's a quick and direct process, and with a clear explanation of your issue, you'll give yourself the best chance of getting helpful support promptly.